It's late at night, and I'm running to the store to buy lechtelech, oil. I come into the store, and the store's empty because everybody's home. Everybody's lighting the Chanukah lechtelech already. Only one couple was browsing around. The woman between the books, and the man I see bent over a large bin. I look into this bin, and that bin had many children menorahs. These aluminum menorahs, gold and silver in all shapes and all forms. And somebody's looking there for a children menorah. And all of a sudden he looks up at me, and I see him. Yankele, what are you doing here? Why are you buying a children menorah? You see, Yankele had no children. Then I noticed Yankee Nebuch was crying. His eyes were bloodshot. And he tells me, yes, I'm buying a children menorah. And you know why? Because when the Rebbeinu Shalom will come home to my house and hear me light the candles, and I'm going to say She'us Nisim Lavasei Neviyim Mahayim Bizman Hazeh, I'm going to have this children menorah set up right next to my menorah with all the lechtelech inside, with the shamas ready. But I'm not going to light that menorah. So the Rebbeinu Shalom will come in and ask me, Yankele, what's this menorah for? I'll be able to tell Rebbeinu Shalom, I haven't given up hope yet. I still hope Rebbeinu Shalom, rather sooner than later, I'm going to have a child of my own standing next to me and lighting this menorah. My dear friends, all these menorah in that bin in that store are neshumas of Yiddish kinderlich. All we need is somebody to understand and light a spark which reflects and means a Yiddish neshuma to a childless family.